Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video, I'm going to share about digital transformation. So as many of us is already hear about it but don't know the really meaning of it or how to start. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you some example where our business can start to transform in very simple way. I hope you enjoy the video. So before we talk about the digital transformation, we will see the evolution of technology first in the world nowadays. Now we see some examples in the screen. So the landline communication is going to mobile, and before we doing the business in person, now we doing in online. The storage is moved to the cloud storage, and the desktop access and the lecture in class is become the online class. The physical books now is doing by e-learning using the e-books, and the communication is mostly before is doing one by one, now is many to many. So before we talk about the digital transformation, right, we will see what is the digital transformation actually meaning. So the digital transformation is a process where the organization is adapt to changes by leveraging the digital technologies to create customer-centric business model. And what we want to achieve by apply digital transformation in our organization or company. So what I can answer is, with the digital transformation, first your company can create new customer experience. So by creating the personalization based on the analytic data on your digital marketing, or for example, every customer will have different experiences based on their preferences. It is very great, right? It will develop loyal customer to your brand or your services. And secondly, you also improve operational efficiencies. So by applying the technology which replacing the manual work, imagine the time and the cost has been spent to unnecessary business process that can be eliminated using the technology. And the third one is you generate new revenue streams. So from the internet marketing or based on the social marketing, can you imagine the bigger market you entering when you doing this thing? And the last one is your company is always ready for the rapid changing in the IT industry or in the market condition by using the latest technology. So that is the simple way to understand what is actually the digital transformation and how it can help your business away. Now we see the impact of the digital transformation. First, there will be collaboration. Technology is make us can interact anywhere, anytime to anybody. You don't need to be in office to work anymore, and you can work by mobile. And secondly is the rapid growing of the communication system. It will spread around the world to anywhere. We can communicate with everyone that we like. Third is the platform mobility. So there will be many platforms developed to support your business and your daily activity based on the modern technology. And the fourth one is the analytic. With the analytic, we will get insight about what is customer needs and preference by using our product and services. In that way, we can develop what is suitable for your market needs. And the last one is the IoT. Everything will be connected to net. So we already in this age, we see our device, our services now is connected to the net. All the information, all what we need is in one place. So to do the digital transformation, actually we need strategy to get the achievement. First, we need to develop the vision first. What will you do? What will your business doing with the digital transformation? Is it your business need the digital transformation? So you can actually create the new customer experiences. So the second one is the take the ecosystem first approach to delivering your product and services. So in this way, you can gain the greatest market share. And the third one is you manage the information effectively. So with the manage the information in correct and in the good way, you can create new revenue stream based on the information. And the fourth one is you need to develop flexible and reliable human resource model. So by doing this, and you have the good resources on the human side that will aware with the technology update and is ready to develop with the new things, the internet thing, the social thing, the market things, You will win the talent wars. And the last one is you need to optimize your business process for speed, efficiency, and the quality. In this way, you will increase the whole organization or your company profit. So how to accelerating the transformation? We need to speed up the business process. We need to speed up the transformation, right? There is a 3 way. The first one is you need to move outside from your process comfort zone. So what is your daily based work? Whatever you're doing in the very conventional and traditional way, you must instantly change and you must apply the new technology, and you need to get change and you need to get doing that by now. And the second one, you need to predict what is the trend of the technology, what is the technology will be using by many customers, by many vendors, by many industry. You need to aware of that. And the third one, you must choose and you must deliver technology the way the business want. What is your business process first? And is it the technology is really support your business process? If it yes, then you can use and you can launch by now. So this is the example what we doing the digital transformation with your business. This is the some of the solution that we'll be doing in the very simple way for your business to transfer into the digital business. So we can see there is a design and creative, we see the CAD/CAM, we see the digital document, the document management system, and the learning management system, content management system. This is the tools for your company or for your organization for doing the digital transformation. We see this example one by one. So for design and creative, you can create the creative content design, like you can using the tool from the Adobe Creative Cloud. So you can create the design content and the tool creation. You also can use the storage on the cloud. You also have the creative assets management. So all your content, all your marketing tools, your brochure, your flyer, everything in one place and can be accessible by your team everywhere and anywhere. You also have the file sharing and collaboration within your design or your creative marketing department. And we see now is the CAD/CAM engineering. The CAD/CAM solution is very crucial now in the industry. So everything we build, we design, we make is from this tool. So like the product development cycle, the rendering things, the collaboration between your engineer to doing the technical drawing, the team management, the cloud computing and storage, we cannot go away from this solution. We need absolutely for this solution. So we can use the product from the Autodesk like the AutoCAD, the building management tool, the rendering, the fusion tool. Autodesk is provide many solutions for your CAD/CAM, for your product development cycle. So you can try, you can visit their website and you can find the information there for more detail. The other one is the digital document. For example, we're doing the digital transformation across your organization for faster process. So with the digital document, the documenting, it will be changed to the digital. So it's not talking about the digital document also. You also digital your business. So everything will be doing in very fast way. And you will keep the document is moving on any device. You put the workflow inside the document. So the document will be automatically run. Whatever the trigger of the document, like the form, automatic form, we call it now is smart form. And we also can do the end-to-end e-sign approval process. You don't need to be in office. Your superior, your supervisor, your manager don't need to be in office to just give the sign. It will eliminate the time process for approval system. And also you have less risk, more security, because the encryption technology and the compliance and the availability of document is also ensured with this digital document technology. So what happens when you already have the digital document? You need some system to manage the document. So the digital transformation is also make you able to do the document management system very efficient. So one of the feature is the data management and the information distribution across the organization between your end user, customer, vendor, and everyone else inside the cycle. You also have the project management, you also can do the collaboration, and you also can have the client portal to the centralized information distribution of all your data and your document. The next one is the BPM or business process management. This is we're talking about the workflow of the document. So you have the digital document and you want to edit some more value to your document. You want the document approval system is doing automatically by system. You want the travel request or the leave request of your company is doing automatically. You can do this with the business process management solution like the Nintex, like the K2 and everything else, the workflow. You also can do this on your SharePoint. So you can do two things with the business process management. You can do the workflow automation, you automate the business process, you create the smart form and you doing the digital process, and you also can do the workflow analytic with the data driven decision making. This is very great for your company. And the digital publishing is also important. So when we're talking about the cost, when we print the document, and the distribution cost when we need to distribute the document like the catalog, like the marketing tool, everything, brochure, flyer, we need to spend very huge cost in that side. So with the digital publishing, we can eliminate that. We can reduce the paper use and the cost with the efficient mobile publishing. So we can develop the mobile app for the tablet, for the smartphone, in the any platform. You can do in iOS, you can do in Android, you can do in the mobile phone, and you can also develop adaptive and responsive HTML5 web content and layout into your content. You're doing using the plugin for the Adobe InDesign. Like for example, if you doing from the Pixel publisher, you only need to install some plugin into your Adobe InDesign and you can do the layout and you can do the design for your catalog very beautifully. And after that, when you finish the design process, you can easy digital publishing. You can create the digital newspaper, you can create digital catalog, magazine. Also, you can create the corporate publishing with that. It's very nice. And then after your content is published, what will you do with your content? You need the solution for the internet marketing. We need to talk about the content management system. What is your web content? Did the customer like your web content? Is it the layout is suitable for some customer? Is it the color is great? And how is their preference about your content? And what they need, what they oftenly access your content, and when they access your content. So this is all the solution package for the website management. You can create the personalization for each customer. So for this, you can use tool from the Progress. You can using the Sitefinity, Telerik platform, and you also can use the Kendo UI. There is a many things for the CMS in the market. You can choose which one is suitable for your business process and your website content. And the last example I want to talk with you is the learning management system. So the company and the organization now is moving to the digital era. All the books, all the material, all the content, and everything in the knowledge retention inside the company now is doing by digital. So we can, like when we do the training for the new employee, we can use the recorded presentation session. So you don't need to doing this over and over again and you wasting the time of your trainer for delivering the same content to the same employee or the same department. You can just do with the recorded presentation system. Also, you can use the knowledge base. So everything that your senior employee know, put in the knowledge base. So the junior will be access this system to learn more about their job description. So you also can measure the KPI of the every employee with the interactive assessment. You can doing the grade quiz. You can doing the survey for your company. You can create the scoring and the grading system. You also can create your own company ebook. For example, you can use the iSpring Suite or you can using the Adobe Captivate for create the e-learning content. And you also can create the learning management system with the cloud-based or your on-premise server. So this is your choice. Which one that's suitable your company, where you want to put your data, in the cloud, in the storage, in the on-prem, is your choice. So this is all happen by applying the digital transformation over your company and organization. This is only the small example that I will show you. So you need to get out from your comfort zone and you see what happened in outside. The digital transformation is already there. We cannot avoid, and we cannot just stay and not doing anything for changing. It will make your business slow and you will lose your profit and your customer. So thank you for watching this presentation, and if you like and if you have comment or anything, you can just write down below the video. And if you like my presentation, I will do another presentation regarding the business solution. You can like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.